Hi there. So you live overseas and you want to buy UK property and create an income from it. So growing a portfolio in the UK from outside of the UK. That's exactly what I've been doing since 2009. Firstly as an expat and then more recently as a digital nomad. So I absolutely know that you can do it too. But there is a process I found that we need to focus on. And once we've nailed that process, we can grow our portfolios and income from UK property on repeat. Now there are 7 reasons why this process is worth your focus too. So you can guess what the process is. Reason number 1. This is the step you're going to repeat the most. If you're going to be buying UK property and growing a portfolio, then this is the thing that you're going to be doing more than any other thing that you'll do in growing your portfolio. Reason number 2, sales that have been agreed by other people fall through. And if you've got this process in place, then you're going to be able to scoop those up and pick them up and take advantage of them. Reason number 3, it makes us the same as any other buyer. If you think that being outside the UK puts you at a disadvantage, then stop, because it just doesn't. Being outside the UK is our superpower. So having this process nailed makes us the same as any other buyer in the UK or outside the UK. Reason number 4, if you've got this process nailed, it's way more cost effective than flying back to the UK. Reason number 5, if you can nail this process, then you've got time and location freedom. So location freedom means that you can grow your portfolio from wherever you want to be in the world. I know, because at the moment I'm in Cambodia and we've been travelling since 2022, when we left Abu Dhabi. And time freedom, because you can be with whoever you want to be with, right, whilst growing your portfolio. So you get time and location freedom whilst you're building your financial freedom from UK property, rather than the other way around. Reason number 6, got this process nailed, you collect so much market intel. You get to learn so much about what is going on in your area and the area where you want to buy. You don't have to rely on anybody else for information or, worry about what it says in the news or believe what things other people tell you, because you're going to know. And reason number 7, if we can nail this, we just feel ultra confident and we feel in control of our own property portfolio, of growing our own income, and we feel in control. So have you guessed what it is yet? What the process is? It's your viewings process. It's focusing on how you can view properties in the UK without flying back to the UK. And for me, this was the first step in figuring this out was the first step in helping me see what was possible. And I know you can figure this out too. I know you can figure out a simple process so that you can do the same. If you want my process, grab my 60-minute workshop. It's £47. I'll share with you exactly how I do it so you can copy my process and avoid the mistakes that I've made. And if you want more of my help implementing this and help putting in place other processes and habits and routines so you can grow your portfolio in the UK whilst you're outside of the UK, then send me a DM.